Hello, Dominic from Loveland Automotive here. I'm doing some maintenance on this Toyota Camry, and I just wanted to make a video about spark plugs and coils. Okay, so my customer had made a comment to me about he should have bought new coils. He wanted me to do it, replace the spark plugs, and well, it's not necessary. You can replace the coil boots, and yeah, I mean, you can replace coils if you really want to, but do not buy cheap Amazon coils. Even some of the ones from the parts store aren't great. Yeah, let me flip this around to show you. What you want to look for is these boots here. You want to look for any kind of cracking, any kind of oil intrusion, or any kind of like white marks on them. So you can get white or black marks that are where spark is coming through. There's not anything wrong with any of these. Okay? So the point of this is that, God, that light's terrible. The point of this is that the cheap coils that a lot of people buy because it seems like a good deal, it's too good to be true. So I've had several experiences where people put the cheap coils on their car and then they end up replacing them a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, one at a time, and it ends up taking something that wasn't an issue originally and turning it into a multi-shop visit scenario. And it's not cheap to get stuff worked on anymore. I mean, I try to keep prices reasonable for my customers, but everything's expensive. So do yourself a favor, and unless somebody recommends to you to get new ones, or you see a problem with the ones you have, don't change them out, because those original ones are 100 times better than anything you're going to get from Amazon, even sometimes the parts store. All right, that's all I really had. You all have a fine afternoon.